Hi, this is Marjorie Dick Stuart. Thanks for watching What's Working Now. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a successful under-the-radar strategy that worked in the middle of the holidays. And if you're thinking of selling your home in 2018, make sure to stay tuned to the end for something special. So let me tell you about this house we sold about a week before Christmas holiday. I went and met with the owner and we talked about cleaning, sorting, staging, making her house look market ready. She looked like she was going to cry. So we decided we'd take another strategy. Let's show it before we're ready. The market is full of buyers, interest rates are low, there's nothing for sale, inventory is so low. In fact, a couple weeks before that, I had 8 people that wanted to buy 2 houses. So we went ahead and advertised it under the radar to my network of prospects, real estate agents, and the neighborhood. And sure enough, one of the neighbors came up with a friend who wanted to look at the house. It turned out that the friend was the only person we showed the property to, and they turned out to be the right buyer. So if you're thinking of selling in 2018, there's no need to wait for the azaleas to be in bloom. The sale I just told you about was in the middle of the holidays. The market is hot right now, and with the inventory of homes for sale so low, there's almost no competition. Find an agent who knows how to take advantage of the current market conditions to make it easy for you to get top dollar fast. So thanks for watching What's Working Now. If you're thinking of selling in 2018, I have something for you. My new book, Selling Secrets You Can't Afford to Miss. To get your free copy, visit dchomeblog.com/free book. Be on the lookout for my next video. We'll look back at what happened in the market during 2017 and what to expect in 2018.